Here we go, everybody. I'm going to put it on Apple Computer. AXON, that is comparable. Apple Computer, we can see one thing about it is we're going to find it, and we have Apple Computer set up at all-time highs that we do. This is the best investment to start 2025. We know that. We know that you're going to be super with Apple Computer. Believe me, I will do the write-up. You can join the free 5-day trial. You can also use buy now, pay later. Go through turbooptiontrading.com. Let's do that. This is a great one. It's been on a rip. We bought every dip. This one has made you a boatload of money.